Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Your dreams of literally walking on history, of stepping onto a structure that has stood the test of time for over 700 years. Today, we are taking you on an incredible journey to Arunachal Pradesh, India, to discover an ancient engineering marvel that will absolutely blow your mind, the Chakzam Bridge. Nestled in the serene and breathtaking Tawang district, this isn't just any old bridge. It's known as Chaksam, which in Tibetan literally means iron bridge. And let me tell you that it lives up to its name. This suspension bridge spans the mighty Tawang Chu River and is a rare and stunning example of ancient Himalayan suspension bridge technology. Can you believe this? Two robust iron chains on either side with woven wooden panels of forming the narrow path. It's truly one of the oldest iron chain hanging bridges in Asia. But who was the genius behind this masterpiece? The Chakzam Bridge was constructed in 1420 AD by the legendary Thangtong Gyalpo, a revered Tibetan Buddhist monk, engineer and architect from the 14th century. This isn't just some local hero. Thangtong Gyalpo is credited as the inventor of the iron chain suspension bridge. He built a staggering 58, some sources says over 100, of these incredible iron bridges across the Himalayas, all to facilitate connectivity and pilgrimage routes for Buddhist monks and devotees. Imagine his visionary craftsmanship in an era devoid of modern tools. He was even known for creating Tibetan opera to raise funds for his projects. Talk about a multi-talented saint. Walking on Chakzam Bridge, you don't just see history, you feel it under your feet. For centuries, this very bridge has served a cultural nexus, connecting communities and allowing for exchange of goods, wisdom, and stories between Tibet and Tawang. It's more than just a physical link, it's a bridge across centuries, a powerful symbol of resilience and faith. Legend has it that Thangtong Gyalpo himself blessed this bridge, ensuring its endurance through wars, weather, and march of the modernity. That's a legacy you can literally step on. Now, planning a trip to this ancient wonder isn't like visiting a city park. The Chakzam Bridge is quite remote, located about 25 kilometers from Tawang Monastery. There is no public transport available, so you will need a private taxi or your own vehicle. But there is the most important tip. You absolutely cannot enter Arunachal Pradesh without an inner line permit (ILP) if you are an Indian national, or a protected area permit for foreign tourists. Seriously, get caught without one and you will be deported. Always carry plenty of printed copies. You will encounter multiple security checkpoints. Once you arrive, be prepared for a truly unique experience. The bridge is old and it sways in the wind. It's a part of thrill. For safety, it's recommended to have only one or two people on the bridge at any given time to avoid overloading it. Walk slowly and carefully. And if you see someone approaching from the other side, it's courteous to wait it out. There are no facilities at all. No chai shops, no stalls, no taxis. So come prepared with your essentials. In the past, some iron chain links were even stolen due to their historical value, leading to the bridge being shuttered and locked for a while to prevent further pilferage. So respect this fragile piece of history. Understanding this profound value, the Arunachal Pradesh government is actively working to preserve this marvel. A comprehensive master plan has been launched for its prevention and restoration, focusing on scientific conservation of the existing structure and the restoration of surrounding heritage sites. Local villagers have even been involved in repairing the bridge. It's a testament to a community dedicated to its heritage. Chief Minister Prem Khandu envisions Chaksam as a living bridge between the past and the future. The Chaksam Bridge is a cornerstone of Arunachal Pradesh's vision to become a tourism-driven economy. The goal is to celebrate vibrant Mompa culture, promote ecotourism, and boost local livelihoods. However, there is a recognized weakness. Many of the district's natural and cultural attractions aren't yet monetized, which means lost revenue opportunities for the local community. To capitalize on its potential, there is a strong push for aggressive marketing through digital and print media, including virtual tours and attracting more foreign tourists who are considered high-end consumers. The Chakzam Bridge truly is more than just an ancient structure. It's a living symbol of human ingenuity, spiritual devotion, and cultural continuity. It's an unforgettable journey across time, inviting you to reflect on the harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. If you have been inspired by this glimpse into Arunachal Pradesh's incredible heritage, we had loved to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing adventures, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration. Share this video with a friend who needs to see this ancient marvel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.